morning children, how are you? In the first class we learned about different types of crops, kharif crops and rabi crops. The crops which are sown in the rainy season are called kharif crops. Example, paddy, maize, soyabean, etc. Then rabi crops, the crops which are grown in the winter season are called rabi crops. Example, wheat, linseed, mustard, etc. Then, today we are going to discuss basic practices of agriculture. Cultivation of crops involves several steps undertaken by the farmers over a period of time. And these activities are referred to as agricultural practices. What is called? Agricultural practices. Agricultural practices. Cultivation of crops involves several steps undertaken by the farmers. Or cultivation of crops involves several activities undertaken by the farmers over a period of time, and these activities are referred to as agricultural practices. There are several agricultural practices. The farmers following several agricultural practices for getting better yield of the crops. Let us study one by one. First one, preparation of soil. First one, preparation of soil. Preparation of soil. Preparation of the soil is the first step of the crop production. Preparation of the soil is the one of the major steps in the cultivation of crops. It is one of the most important tasks in agriculture. Preparation of soil is one of the most important tasks in agriculture. To turn the soil and loosening the soil, it helps in the plant's roots penetrate deep into the soil. Okay, the loosening or preparation of soil, it helps the plant's root penetrate deep into the soil. So, the plant roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. We know that soil contains water, minerals, air, etc. In addition, the dead bodies of plants and animals. And also earthworm. Earthworm and small organisms, microbes, microorganisms are present in the soil. The loosening of the soil helps in the growth of earthworm and microorganisms present in the soil. Earthworm and these microbes are called friends of farmers. What is called? Friends of farmers. The microorganisms decompose dead and decaying matter, that is dead bodies of plants and animals. Only few centimeters of top layer of the soil use the plants for growth, or top layer of the soil contains nutrients. The loosening of the soil brings the nutrients rich soil to the top, and the plants can use these nutrients. So, turning or loosening of the soil is the major steps in cultivation of crops. The process of turning or loosening of the soil is called plowing. What is called? Plowing. Plowing is the process of turning or loosening of the soil. Plowing is done by plough, P-L-O-U-G-H, plough. Plowing is done by plough. It is made of a wood. It is made of wood. It drawn a pair of bulls or other animals like horses, camels, etc. Nowadays, the plowing is done by tractor driven cultivator. So it saves the labor and time. Do you understand? Preparation of soil. Once more time. Preparation of the soil is one of the most important part of the crop production. It helps in the plant's roots penetrate deep into the soil and also helps in the growth of earthworm and microbes present in the soil. Earthworm and microbes are also called friends of farmers. We know that soil contains water, minerals, air, etc. In addition, the dead bodies of plants and animals. The microorganisms decompose these dead and decaying matter. The loosening, the process of loosening and turning of the soil is called plowing. The plowing is done by plow. It is made of wood. It is drawn a pair of bulls or other animals like horses, camels, etc. Nowadays, the tractor driven cultivator is used for plowing and it saves labor and time. Okay, then second step, the second agricultural practices after the preparation of the soil, second step is sowing. S-O-W-I-N-G, sowing. What is sowing? 7th class you learn now, sowing. Scattering the seeds. Sowing is scattering the seeds. Sowing is one of the major steps in the crop production. Before sowing, the farmers selecting good qualities of seeds. Before sowing, the farmers selected good quality of seeds. How the farmers know that which is the good quality of seed? First of all, take a vessel. Farmers take a vessel filled with water. Then some seeds are put into the water. After a few minutes, we can see that some seeds are float on the water and some seeds are sink in water. Why? Do you know? Yes, because damaged seeds are hollow, lighter weight. They are float on the water. Then good quality of seeds are heavier weight. They sink in water. So farmers collecting these good qualities of seeds before sowing. Okay, so sowing is scattering the seeds. Sowing is the process of scattering the seeds. Before sowing, farmers selecting good qualities of seeds. The tool is used for sowing is very important. Traditionally, the tool is used in sowing, shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel. The funnel have 2 or 3 pipes at sharp ends. And these ends burst into the soil and spreading the seeds here and there. Okay. Nowadays, sowing is done by seed drill with the help of tractor. Okay. Nowadays, sowing is done by seed drill with the help of tractor. So it saves labor and time and it keeps proper distance. Between the two plants have equal distance. So plants can easily penetrate their roots into the soil. So they can easily absorb water and minerals from the soil. Okay. So children, the first we learn agricultural activities. In what are agricultural practices or agricultural activities? Cultivation of crops involves several agricultural activities undertaken by the farmers over a period of time. These activities are referred to as agricultural practices. Okay. What is agricultural practices? Cultivation of crops involves several agricultural activities undertaken by the farmers over a period of time. These activities are referred to as agricultural practices. First one, preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is the major steps in agricultural practices. And process of turning and loosening of the soil is called plowing. The plowing is done by plow. Nowadays it is done by tractor driven cultivator. Second step, sowing. Sowing is one of the most important steps in crop production. Before sowing, farmers selected good quality of seeds. Sowing is the process of scattering seeds. It is done by seed drill with the help of tractor. So children, balance agricultural activities we will discuss in next class. I hope understood this portion very well. Everybody should read the textbook carefully. Then if you have any doubt, you call me. Okay children, your notes will send through the WhatsApp. Okay children, thank you. We will meet next class. Bye.